Wake up and feel like your body's lagging behind your mind, that your strength is still in bed and your energy's on a delay. This is how we get everything back in sync. Let's hit the mat. Let's unlock the hips that hold the weight of yesterday's stress. Step your right foot forward into low lunge. Press your hips forward as you reach your arms overhead or rest your hands on your thigh. Shift gently back and forth to pulse through the tight spots. Switch to the left side at the 30-second mark. Beginners, keep your back knee down and stay upright. Advanced, add a twist or reach overhead for a deeper release. Your hip flexors are the first to tighten when you're overwhelmed. I promise unlocking them will make everything else feel lighter. Five more seconds here. Lean into the space you're creating. That just opened your base. Now let's build strength on top of it. Now we activate the backside, so your core doesn't carry the whole day alone. Lie on your back, one foot flat, other leg extended or bent. Press through your grounded heel and lift your hips toward the sky. Lower with control and repeat. Switch legs at 30 seconds. Beginners, start with both feet down. Advanced, pause at the top and squeeze tighter. When your glutes are asleep, your back overworks. I promise this move helps prevent that chain reaction. Do you feel that yet? If not, push into the heel and exhale as you lift. That just stabilized your frame. Now let's dial in control. Time to connect brain and body. From hands and knees, extend your right arm and left leg. Keep your spine long, then slowly return and switch sides. Beginners, keep toes and fingers slightly hovering. Advanced, add a pulse at the top or hold longer. Studies show this movement improves core endurance and spinal stability. I promise this isn't just a stretch, it's a message to your nervous system. Let's go 5 more seconds. Tighten the abs like you're zipping up a jacket. That just synced your core. Now we bring in depth. We're going deep now, literally and mentally. Start with your feet wide and toes out. Drop into a squat, elbows inside knees, chest lifted. Rock gently forward and back or pulse slow. Beginners, keep hands on thighs for balance. Advanced, add arm reaches or deeper pulses. This one resets the hips and knees and even your breath. I promise staying low here will lift your energy later. Five more seconds. Can you sink an inch deeper? That just grounded your strength. Now we stretch with grace. Let's close this flow with contrast, surrender, and strength. Start in child's pose, knees wide, forehead down, arms long. Shift forward slowly into Sphinx, elbows on the shoulders, chest open. Repeat the wave, flowing between the two. Beginners, stay longer in child's pose. Advanced, hold Sphinx and breathe deeper into your belly. This pairing balances nervous system activation with grounded stillness. I promise this seals your session with calm strength. 5 more seconds. Let your body exhale the last bit of tension that just entered your breath. Now move into your day from here.